Hello again. I thought today we'd look at a couple more sounds in British English, and today these two consonant sounds. We have this one and this one, for fan and for video. The mouth is exactly the same shape for both sounds. For the and the mouth is exactly the same. The only difference is voice. The sound on the first sound, this one, there's no voice, there's no vibration here. You're not making any noise, you're just going. On this one, you're switching the voice on. You're going for video and fan. Have a look at these two words, van and fan. The mouth shape is exactly the same for both. The only difference is voice here. The first one, van, with a you can feel vibration, van. The second one, fan, no voice, fan. Try it yourself, van, fan. What about these two? Very and ferry, very, ferry. Say them out loud yourself. Try these two, leave and leaf. Leave with a v sound vibration, leave, and leaf, leaf. Say them out loud. The mouth shape, remember, exactly the same. It doesn't change. The only difference is voice here. Leave and leaf. And what about these two? Alive, a life. Alive with a v voiced, v, alive, and the other one, a life, a life. British English pronunciation, British English sounds, easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.